Good afternoon, everyone, and thank you for joining us out here at MarineMax in Bald Ridge Marina. Today I'm going to take you through our 2020 Sea Ray 350 SLX. We'll start here where everybody spends their time, on the stern of the boat. Now for 2020, this is a hydraulic swim platform that will lower down into the water. It's great for climbing in and out or just relaxing and enjoying your day. There is a ladder, of course, as well. Great big rear lounge chair that's on the back of this boat. You have a sprayer, a built-in cooler in the walkway. There's power back here for charging your phone or blowing up your tube or whatever you want to do. And all of this will close up, either to protect it from the weather or to use it as a fishing platform or whatever you want to do with it. Please come aboard. This boat is chock full of features that you're going to enjoy in your boating day, not the least of which you have this electric sunshade which will extend out about 6 feet or so and shade everyone back here in the back. 2 steps down into the boat, you've got this beautiful big L-shaped couch. Now, as you can see, I've got half the pad on here. There's a second pad that will complete all this and make a sun pad. Or if you take all this off, there's this beautiful teak table that raises up and makes for your regular dining table. On the other side of the cockpit, there's an additional seat with a beach cooler storage beneath here. And of course, you've got your grill station with your Kenyan grill, cockpit refrigerator with a small freezer, trash can, and a sink. Beautiful. Moving forward, we'll show that in a second. We've got a big double wide seat on the port side, matched by the driver's companion seat. On the port side, new for 2020 as well, you now have this large cabin area with a TV, there's AC, an available generator, and you can get out of the weather and relax for a little bit. The helm is a large and wonderful area for the captain. Dual Simrad screens with multiple functions. Of course, now this boat has joystick control. This is the Axius system, which includes your digital anchor, your skyhook system. This makes docking an absolute breeze. Digital throttles. This boat has your dynamic running service as well. It's very, very well equipped. Underneath the helm, this is where you're going to find your head compartment. Take a look in there. Very large head. This fore portion opens up as well. Lots of space here in the bow. Plenty of room to stretch out, bring your friends and family. These cushions will come out. You could have just regular seating, flip down armrests, spotlight, anchor controls. 4 storage up here as well, as in the main cabin. Another feature is this beautiful opening sunshade, or sunroof. Slides back for additional light and air if you so desire. Well, thank you for coming out and enjoying this show. I hope that you'll come out to Bald Ridge Marina and have a look at it in person. You can reach us at MarineMax at 770-781-9370. Thank you very much.